All right, let's look into my PLTR call option. You know what I'm saying? Give you a little review, little understanding of the options, call options. Now, let's say I wanted to place this call option at the beginning of the day. Here, fingers messed up, but you see right there, it was like 134. Now, that was the lowest. You could have got that at 9:30, right at the bell. It shot up. So you could have bought that call option for 134, and then you could have sold it for the high of 275, right there, real quick. Get in of the market and in 275. Get out of it. 1055. 1055, you done. You'd have made over $100 and something off that one option. Okay. Palantir had recent earnings call, and it wasn't too well as they expected and other investors, but it was decent for long-term investors. So a lot of long-term investors been waiting on Palantir to get down to this low. So therefore, I dropped at this little dip right here after I sold some of my call options. I hit it for try to get it at 160, and I ended up getting it for the 172. Okay. So I'm probably looking to do the same thing. It started off hopefully above 172, and around 1055, probably getting rid of this call option. Hopefully get a nice profit. Palantir, I'm already up 7% on the call option by placing it on the end of Friday. So hey, we're doing good. Okay, this is a Palantir call option, ticker symbol PLTR, $29 Palantir call option call. Let's look at it. It's already at $29.75. So I'm doing decent, right? This is your update on the 52-week K challenge, baby. I'm investing, I'm options trading, and doing everything I can to get to that 10K, to that 20K, to 100K, baby. Let's go. Be blessed to invest in yourself with the Palantir. Okay, hold on. I'll get into some news. And you got Palantir. You know what I'm saying? Prep stock. See that? A lot of investors been waiting on Palantir to get there. So this is one of the reasons. Now, if you want to know what Palantir is, the company, the Palantir Technologies, provides organizations with solutions to manage large, disparate data sets in an attempt to gain insight and drive operations outcome. It was founded in 2003. Palantir released its Gotham software platinum in 2008, which focuses on the government, intelligence, and defense sectors. Okay, so right now this is definitely government defense. So that's something that's definitely highly needed. We'll be having some cyber attacks, all kind of things going on. So government defense is definitely something I'm investing in. Okay.